Everybody, and welcome back to our channel. And today we have a sweet treat. Yes, we do. We have little blizzards of mix and match outfits. Hey, it's so good. Stop that, lonely shark. That's a doll. What? It looked like ice cream. It's a doll. Oh, okay. Well, we better get her out of there. It could be a boy. Really? Interesting. Let's open it up. Yeah, let's open it. Okay, so as you can see, we got the cookies and cream one, and you can get these for $10. I've only seen them online though, like on Amazon and that, so yeah. They're not very easy to get. If you don't want to order online, I don't know any stores that really have them. So, first we gotta take off the plastic wrap, and then we pop open our blizzard, and we should have some blind bags inside. So let's go do that. Oh, and here are all the dolls that you can possibly get. There's a lot of them. You can see there's about 24 different dolls. But first, let's open up our blizzard and see what we get inside. Well, the cup is cardboard and the top is plastic, but it's not like the greatest quality where it's going to last a long time. So you guys know. Pop it open. And here are our blind bags. We got 1, 2, 3 blind bags. So let's open up one of our accessories first. And we've got some long brown hair in this one. This feels like our outfit. Let's open it up. And we got a white outfit with chocolate stripes. So it's like a vanilla and a chocolate swirl kind of doll, I think. Let's open up our last blind bag and see our doll. And here she is. She has chocolate hair with vanilla sprinkles. I say chocolate because it's brown, and vanilla because they're white sprinkles. She has pink eyes, white underwear, chocolate covered boots that are brown. Did I say that they're chocolate covered? And she has like a strawberry, like pinkish hair tie on her head, which is where the hair goes in. Let's put her hair in. Now the hair goes in pretty easy. The head has just a very little bit of squish to it. And the body is hard plastic. Now let's put her outfit on. There we go. Tricky to get on all the way. And it doesn't really close very well in the back at all. But the doll is pretty cute. I'm not sure if I'll get others, but she is a good... I guess it was worth a try. She is cute. I am glad that I got the cookies and cream blizzard, because that's cute. A little cute little container for her. It's very cute. Not sure if I'll keep the container long term, though. But this doll is very cute. Quality isn't that bad, but I have seen people missing pieces with some of theirs, so something to watch out for. If you're missing pieces, you'll have to contact the company probably, but yeah, she's cute. So yeah. Would I recommend it? I guess if you like LOL dolls, it's not bad, but you don't get removable shoes. They're molded onto the doll, I believe. Yeah, they're molded onto the doll. And the hair does come out, so you can mix and match the hair, but only with certain ones. Let me show you. See, some of these have molded hair where you can't change it, and some of them have hair extensions. So you can only kind of mix and match the hair with only certain dolls. Because a lot of them have the molded hair instead. But a lot of them also have the hair extensions, so it's like, you can mix and match the outfits with all of them, but you can't mix and match the hair with all of them. So that's something to be aware of. Very cute, though. And I'm glad I got who I got. She's cute. So, I might get others. I don't know. Maybe if the price goes down. I think for $10 it's a bit expensive. But it's cute. Because obviously LOLs have more going on with them. But she's cute. So yeah. Thanks for watching my review. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below. And ring the bell if there is one. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.